Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be studying the part 2 of the unit 8, which is a chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Little Bully. We will read the chapter and understand it. It is a story about a boy. Let us start with the title of the chapter, The Little Bully. Bully is a person who ટ્રીટ્સ અધર પર્સન બેડલી. હેરાન કરે બીજા લોકોને, એને બુલી કહેવાય. લેટ અસ સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ ધ ચેપ્ટર નાઉ. Once upon a time, not so very long ago, there was a small boy called Hari. Although he wasn't very big, he was strong and he loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him. So, once upon a time, not so very long, there was a boy and his name was Hari. He wasn't very big or strong and he loved to tease all the boys and the girls. એટલે બધા લોકોને હેરાન કરવું બહુ ગમતું. To tease means to make fun of other people. એ કરવાનું એને બહુ ગમતું હતું હરીને. Who went to school with him. What he loved to do most was to pinch. He could make a big bruise appear in half a second. Another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. And what he used to do? He used to pinch people. Pinch એટલે ચીમટી મારતો હતો બધા લોકોને. And he used to make a big bruise appear in just half a second. Bruise means a mark. ચીમટી માર્યા પછી જે માર્ક આવી જાય સ્કિન પર એને બ્રૂઝ કહેવાય. ને એટલું ખરાબ રીતે ચીમટી મારતો કે તરત જ એ બ્રૂઝ દેખાઈ જતો, તરત જ નિશાન પડી જતો સ્કિન પર. And another trick he used to play was pricking people with a pin. એટલે સોય ગોપતો લોકોને. So you can guess how all the children hated him. They tried pinching him back, but that was no good because he could always pinch harder. They didn't like telling their teacher because that was telling tales. And now you could guess how everyone means all the children used to hate him. આવી રીતે કોઈ હેરાન કર્યા કરે, આપને તો ગુસ્સો આવે ને આપને એના પર. વાત કરવાની ગમે એની સાથે, તો બધા બચ્ચાઓને પણ એ નરાપન નહીં ગમતો હતો. Because he used to pinch them and prick them all the time. And when the children tried to pinch him back, it was of no use. એટલે પછી બચ્ચાઓ પણ ટ્રાય કરતા કે આપણે પણ હરીને ચીમટી મારીએ, પણ એનાથી કંઈ ખાસ ફરક નહીં પડતો હતો. Because Hari's pinch was very harder. And they did not tell all these things to their teachers also. પછી એવું લાગે ને કે ચુગલી કરી રહ્યા છે, એટલે ટીચરને પણ નહીં બોલતા હતા કોઈ પણ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કંઈ પણ. It so happened that the class went for a picnic to the seaside for a whole day. All the children were most excited. Then it happened that a picnic was organized. તમે પણ બધા પિકનિક પર જાઓ ને ક્લાસ સાથે, તેવી રીતે અહીંયા પણ પિકનિક ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ થયેલી ને એ લોકોએ સી સાઇડ પર જવાનું હતું, એટલે બીચ આગળ જવાનું હતું, દરિયા આગળ, ફોર અ હોલ ડે. એન્ડ ધ ચિલ્ડ્રન વર વેરી એક્સાઇટેડ. એટલે બધા બહુ ઉત્સુક હતા, ખુશ હતા બીચ પર જવા માટે. On that day, the sun shone bright and all the children were wild with excitement. They crowded into the train and sat down, but nobody wanted to sit next to Hari because he always pinched. So that day the sun shone bright. Shone means the past tense of shine. એટલે sun બહુ ચમકતો હતો, brightly એકદમ. And all the children were wild with excitement. Wild with excitement means extremely happy. બહુ જ ખુશ હતા બધા બચ્ચાઓ. They crowded into the train and sat down. But nobody sat next to Hari because he used to always pinch all the children. હરીની બાજુમાં કોઈ પણ નહીં બેઠું, કારણ કે હંમેશા બધાને ચીમટી માર્યા કરતો હતો. When they arrived at the seaside, out jumped all the children with a shout of joy. Down to the sands they raced hand in hand. But nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. Then when they arrived at the seaside, arrived એટલે reached, પૂગી ગયા એ લોકો seaside પર, all of them shouted with joy. એકદમ ખુશીથી બધાએ બૂમ પાડી. Down to the sands they raced hand in hand. એટલે બધા એકબીજાનો હાથ પકડીને દોડ્યા સેન્ડ પર, રેતી પર. And nobody took Hari's hand. They always stayed away from him. બધા એનાથી દૂર જ રહેતા હતા. Nobody went near him. Hurry was angry. He went to a sandy corner near a rocky pole and sat down by himself. He took out his lunch box and looked at it. It was a good lunch. Then Hurry became angry as all the children were staying away from him. બધા બચ્ચા એનાથી દૂર દૂર રહેતા હતા એટલે હરીને ગુસ્સો આવ્યો. પછી એને શું કીધું? એ એક સેન્ડી કોર્નર પાસે જઈને બેસી ગયો. Sandy corner means the place which is covered with sand. And he sat down by himself. એકલો જ બેસી ગયો એ તો. He took out his lunch and he looked at it. And it was a good lunch. એટલે એનો જે ટિફિન બોક્સ હતો તે લઈને બેસી ગયો હતો અને એને જોયું ટિફિન બોક્સમાં અંદર શું હતું તે. Now we'll see what was there in the tiffin box. There were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake and a bar of chocolate. He would eat it all by himself. He wouldn't offer anything to anyone. Then all these things were there in his tiffin box and he thought that I will eat it all by myself and I wouldn't offer anything to anyone. હું કોઈને કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ આપસ નહીં મારા ટિફિન બોક્સમાંથી. Just as he was beginning on the eggs, he heard a hoarse voice near him. Good morning, I'm so pleased to meet a boy like you. Hurry turned around and stared in fright. Whatever do you think he saw? Then as soon as Hurry was beginning with the eggs, means he just started to eat the eggs and he heard a hoarse voice. Hoarse means a rough, deep sound. And the voice was, Good morning, I'm so pleased to meet a boy like you. Then Hurry turned around and he stared in fright. એટલે એકદમ ડરી ગયો. Stared એટલે ઘૂરીને જોવા લાગ્યો એ વસ્તુને એકદમ ડરીને તે પણ. What do you think it was? Hurry saw a monster crab walking sideways out of the pool. His eyes were on the ends of short stalks and he looked most queer. He held out his front claw to Hurry. Hurry put out his hand to shake the crab's claw. But to his surprise and anger, the crab opened his pincers and nipped his hand so hard that the little boy yelled. Then, to Hurry's surprise, it was a monster crab. Crab એટલે ખબર ને શું હોય તે. See, this is a crab. And he was walking sideways and he came out of the pool. There were his eyes on the ends of short stalks. See, like this, his eyes are on the end of short stalks. And he looked most queer. Queer means strange or odd. एकदम अजीब देखाતું હતું એ. He held out his front claw to Hurry. Hurry put out his hand to shake the crab's claw. But to his surprise and anger, the crab opened his pincers and nipped his hand so hard that the little boy yelled. Hurry and the crab were going to shake hands. They were going to shake hands, means the crab's claws and Hurry's hand. These are the claws. But what the crab did was, he took Hurry's hand in his pincers. These are the pincers. And the little boy yelled. એટલે હરીને એટલું દુખ્યું કે એકદમ જોરમાં ચીસ પાડી એને. He shouted loudly because he is in a lot of pain. Ah, there is my good cousin, said the crab pleasantly. And to Hurry's horror, he saw a large sandy lobster crawling heavily out of the pool. Before the little boy could stop him, the lobster took his hand in his great pincer-like claws and pinched it so hard that Hurry yelled in pain. Then the crab said pleasantly, એટલે એકદમ ખુશીથી બોલ્યો crab. Ah, here is my good cousin. એટલે lobster crabનો cousin. And before Hurry could free himself from the crab, એટલે હરી પોતાના સેલ્ફને બચાવી શકે ક્રેબથી, તેટલા જ લોબ્સ્ટરે બીજો હાથ એનો પકડી લીધો in his pincers. And Hurry yelled very loudly in pain. Then he stared at the pool in surprise, for out came sandy-colored shrimps and prawns, more crabs and another large lobster, and they pricked Hari till he was soon black and blue with their pinching. Then many other creatures came out of the pool. Shrimps, prawns, more crabs came out, and another large lobster. And they all pricked Hari. એટલે બધાએ પોતાના પિન્સર્સ બહુ માર્યા હરીને until he was black and blue. જ્યારે આપણે કોઈ વસ્તુ એમ કરી દે ત્યારે બ્લેક એન્ડ બ્લુ થઈ જાય ને એ વસ્તુ પિંચ કર્યા પછી તો હરી પણ બ્લેક એન્ડ બ્લુ થઈ ગયેલો with their pinching. Don't you like it? Said all the creatures in surprise. Why, we were told that you would love to see us because you were a champion pincher and pricker yourself. Come, come, join in the fun. Then the creatures asked him, Don't you like it? We were told that you love to see us because you were also a champion pincher. એટલે તું બી બહુ ઉસ્તાદ છે પિંચ કરવામાં તો બધાને તો આપણે તો લાગેલું કે તો આપને જોઈને બહુ ખુશ થશે. Come, come, join in the fun. Hari leaped to his feet, crying loudly. His lunch rolled into the pool, and when the crabs and lobsters saw it, they ran to it and began to feast eagerly. Then Hari started crying loudly and he got up to his feet. His lunch rolled into the pool. એટલે એનું બધું જે ટિફિનમાં ખાવાનું હતું તે તો પૂલમાં બેસી ગયું. And when the crabs and the lobsters saw it, they ran to it and began to feast eagerly. એટલે એ લોકોની તો દાવત થઈ ગઈ. હરીના ટિફિન બોક્સમાં તો કેટલી સારી સારી વસ્તુઓ હતી. તો ક્રેબ્સ ને લોબ્સ્ટર્સની દાવત થઈ ગઈ. Hari saw that they had forgotten him for a time, and he turned and ran for his life, tears streaming down his face. Then when Hari saw that the lobsters and the crabs are busy eating and they had forgotten him, then he turned and ran for his life. એટલે એકદમ ફટાફટ દોડ્યો એ till the time he was crying, tears streaming down his cheeks. એટલે રડતા રડતા એ દોડ્યો. They only did to me what I keep doing to the other children, he thought. But how it hurt, and how I hated those crabs and lobsters. I suppose the other children hate me too. Well, I jolly well shan't pinch or prick any more. Then Hari thought that the crabs and the lobsters did to me what I keep doing to the other children. એટલે જે એ લોકોએ મારી સાથે કીધું તે જ હું બીજા ચિલ્ડ્રન સાથે કરતો છું. And I hate the crabs and lobsters now. And this, in the same way, the children also hate me. And now I will never pinch or prick anyone. હરી સાથે એ વસ્તુ થઈ ત્યારે એને રિયલાઇઝ થયું કે હું પણ આ વસ્તુ કોઈ બીજા સાથે કરું જ અને એને પણ દુઃખ થતું છે ને દુખતું છે એ વસ્તુ ને મારે નહીં કરવું જોઈએ. So I hope my students have liked and understood this story about Hari and how he got a lesson that he should not trouble others because the same thing can happen to us as well. By Enid Blyton. Thank you. Goodbye.